Okay, now I'm going to do a quick PA on Australian odd New Australian New Zealand pair. So initially, as you can see, the flow is a big boy 4 hours. So as we continue down to this area, it has a V formation. Buyer step in. These sellers try all these sellers got taken around. So try this the price that I miss is quite bad I've taken a long here because of this strong trap strong trap sellers. So when it came down here, you can bought, take it all the way up. Then during your session, I actually tried to for a buy here, which I would say first of all, I'll say timing wise, I try okay. I think the main thing is I didn't scratch it well for this when this big candle came. When this big candle came, I actually could have scratched it here or here lah. Cause what you expect is for it to go up quick. So I mean, the good thing is what I did well is in terms of overall trend, the bigger trend is in up now. Now it's in a downtrend already. So when the lower time frame buyers came in, here got check sellers try. Now is the higher time frame has taken over. So this is still a downtrend. So it's like a set 1, set 2. Test refresh. V formation. Test refresh. Oh, so this is a set 1, set 2. Okay. Like here the sellers got eaten. Then here you can buy it up to this high, but we not until this guy this area over here is taken out, then it will become a uptrend again. Now it's a downtrend. So downtrend actually could have bought a sell instead. Okay. Took note. So what in terms of volume wise, is there any signs of big boys volume? Here is the NFP. I'll say area wise not that good. First of all, this tested second. Oh, this one Navi put a buy stop instead of entry market. Cause this is a second time it touches this area. So if the first time this guy tried, came back here, he tried. When he fails the second time, that the reason I bought this is because like Navin entered it. So he put buy stop and I buy at the market. But ultimately, no matter what, when it breaches down here, is a trade that is problematic. Or it could be range here is possible. Could be a range, but ultimately it's a counter trend, so we shouldn't use this level again. But if it is along with the trend, then it we can try on this area again. Okay, so what's the state? First area location wise is not good due to the fact that this is the second time we tested this these trap sellers over here. It's a counter trend, I would say, for the 1 hour, the big 1 hour big boy. For the 4 hour is a money spot. Okay, location wise. Entry okay. Not really. It looks like I mean okay lah. I'll say it's a lopsided. Then we can buy here. Stop loss here. Then you can take it out all the way here, but it failed lah. So okay, I'll say the entry wise is okay. The issue is it try twice so what can we do better? In a range we will follow the trend. See, if you think about it, if a 4 hour trend, that is for if you think you look at the 1 hour time frame, right, is a downtrend, and see the 4 hour time frame is a uptrend. So technically this is just a money spot between the shorter time and the time frame along the larger time frame. So technically is counter trend still. It's at a money spot, so I have to buy as low as possible. Location wise, I'll say okay. Entry timing, time of the day okay. Just scratch this trade. Get out without loss. That's the only